Alright. Now at this stage we must stagger the piston rings, avoiding there is the thrust side. Look at this. There is thrust side, this one and this side. So on our piston rings there is some gaps which we have to stagger. These gaps must not face each other. They mustn't face each other. The compression gonna leak through these gaps. So at least they must go opposite to each other, all of them, including the oil scraper rings and the compression rings. The gaps must go opposite to each other. Right. So what we do is this one comes this side and this one comes this side. Yeah, let's put it here at least. And this one on the oil scraper, this one comes here, and this side comes here. Right. Then we identify the front of the piston, where the piston must face. It must face only one direction because the size of our valves are different. There is exhaust valves, usually they have smaller holes on top, and the intake valves side there is bigger holes on top of them. So in this case, on our engine, the intake side is this side and the exhaust side is this side. So the piston must face that side. So we must use piston ring squeezer to squeeze them in, but we make sure that we apply oil. We apply oil inside the cylinder. And then explain. We must apply oil inside the cylinders. All of them. Apply oil here. We also apply oil on the rings. Alright. Then using our piston, this is our piston ring squeezer. We must make sure it's clean. We make sure the piston ring squeezer is clean. Right, we open it up. And tighten a little bit. It's making sure that our piston will fit inside. Then also we apply oil inside it. Apply oil inside it. Then now this one is piston number 2. So we clamp it. We put it inside like this. Then we tighten it up. Tighten it up until it's tight. Make sure it's tight. Right. Then we push it down a little bit, not forgetting the position, the direction where the piston must face. We must make sure that is facing to the front of the engine, which is this side. And this, in this case, our piston number 1 is this one, number 2 this one, 3, 4, and this one is number 2. We put it here. Right. Then we use I normally use a long extension. I normally use a long extension to put it down. I avoid using a hammer because the piston rings, they're gonna break. If I have to force them too hard, they're gonna break on the side. So I use my hand to knock it down. Right, 1, 2, 3. Now there it is. Let's see. Then we go to piston number. I can take this one. This one is number 4. I can take number 4 using the same procedure. We apply oil around the piston. We apply oil around it. Right. Then we stagger again. We stagger the rings. This one at least faces this side, and this one at least it comes to this side. See, as you can see, they are opposite, right? And this one, the oil scraper ring must come at least here, right? And this one, because this one is close to this one, so I must push it towards this side. Let me push it towards this side. Push it towards this side. This one here. This side and take it there. Right. This one here. And this one there. This one. Right, now we are ready to cleanse it using the piston ring squeezer again. We open it up a little bit. Then we cleanse it. Blend it up. Right, try this one. There we go. See? Right, we take this one is number 3. Face the side. So we apply oil again as we did. We apply oil. And using the same procedure, we stagger the rings. Now we clamp it again as we did. Open it up a little bit. Open it up, right. Bring it up. sure that it's tight. And our direction, our arrow faces there, meaning it faces into the front. And then we place it on the piston. And we level up this. And we knock it down, as you can see. So we go to the last piston. Which is number 1. Last one is number 1. Come closer. Come. Put your camera close to where my hands are. I want them to see this one of the G. This one is here. Right. Automatically this, let me put it aside. This one, let it be here. Where is this one? This one, let it be here. This one, and this one, and this one. Right. Now we take our ring squeeze. Open it up. Come close. Come close. Open it up. Clean. Clean. Push it down. Our direction, piston faces the side, because we did put our marks already. Now we level it up. Then we must knock it down as we did. There we go. There we go.